Do you ever create emails, but yet you want them to go out at a later time from when you drafted? You can do that in Outlook using the delayed delivery feature. So in Outlook, if I create a new email, there is an area in the new email area called options. In options, I can go over to delay delivery. In delay delivery, in the bottom area where it is called delivery options, I can set the time to which the email does not go before a designated time. So let's say I'm working late and I want to draft an email, but I don't want it to go out and appear in inboxes until 8 o'clock a.m. I can schedule that email to go out Wednesday at 8 o'clock a.m. And once I hit close, this particular message, once it is sent, will not appear in the inboxes of the designated recipients until after 8 o'clock a.m. of that designated date. So this is how you can schedule an email if you're working on it late, or if you want to have it go out at a specific time. You're thinking of something that you want to send, but you don't want it to go out until the next day in the afternoon. You can use the delay delivery feature in order to make this happen in Microsoft Outlook.